Understanding the relationship between sound and picture failure in televisions is critical for effective troubleshooting. It is essential to determine whether the issue lies with the backlight or the display board. Next, the process of removing and checking the backlight requires knowledge of the types of screws involved. Models may differ in their use of clip types or screw types, which influences the removal procedure. Moreover, voltage levels significantly affect the functionality of TV components. Variations in voltage can impact both the backlight's performance and the overall display quality. Identifying the types and placements of screws plays a vital role in the assembly process. Understanding which screws are necessary helps prevent missing components. Additionally, checking power supply connections is imperative for the device's functionality. Ensuring appropriate voltage levels can avert potential damage and optimize performance. A comprehensive understanding of various components, such as ICs and coils, is essential for effective troubleshooting. Each component serves a distinct function that contributes to the device's overall operation. Furthermore, different types of connectors are crucial for establishing a reliable Wi-Fi connection, including chips and wires that transmit signals effectively. Recognizing the role of each component simplifies the setup process. Removing unnecessary components, such as sensors and buttons, is important for focusing on essential parts during repairs. This streamlining can prevent potential connectivity issues. The significance of understanding display components and scaler boards cannot be overstated. They are pivotal for device functionality. Careful handling during disassembly is necessary. Ensure the display is securely positioned to avoid accidental damage. A meticulous approach helps maintain the integrity of the display during handling. When removing adhesive, do so carefully to prevent sticky residue on the display. Remaining adhesive can adversely affect the display's performance and appearance. Be mindful of the installation environment. Using a stable surface can mitigate risks. A flat surface helps reduce the chance of unintended movement or damage. Understanding the placement of components in thermal laptops is beneficial for effective troubleshooting. Special attention should be given to the arrangement near the keyboard and frame. The need for careful handling during installation is paramount. Proper handling can prevent breakage and ensure that the components function as intended. Testing the backlight is essential to confirm that the display operates correctly. Regular checks can identify faults early, preventing further complications. Certain tools, such as tape and cutters, are mentioned as vital for the assembly process. Utilizing proper tools can streamline workflow and enhance accuracy. Furthermore, the importance of checking measurements and aligning components is crucial. Ensuring a proper fit can prevent issues during final assembly and installation. Finally, the necessity of using double tape and screws for securing parts together is highlighted. Adequate fastening methods contribute to the durability of the assembled components.